Hello everyone, my name is Diksha and I am here to help you with the MOOC trailer guidelines. Are you ready for the contest? If yes, then let's revise the guidelines for the MOOC contest. Before moving further, have a look on this question and ask yourself, have you completed your MOOC 100%? Now, there is an alert for you, presentation of the MOOC trailer. Don't forget to include following points to your MOOC trailer. First, 5 reasons to convince anybody to enroll themselves in the course. Second, basic information and important content which will help the viewer to know about the course. Third, your reason for enrolling in the course and how it will benefit you. Fourth, should be creative and shows the understanding of the students towards that course. Fifth, proofread the text with the correct spellings, grammar and punctuation. Sixth, keys topic from the MOOC, protocols and guidelines. No trailer can be prepared on the MOOCs recently finished by the students. Next, each student should select new course for the MOOC contest. After that, each student must use their FEA Gmail ID. Next is, you must choose the course individually. Let's talk about the duration of this contest. So, the end date to finish this MOOC is 11th July 2020. Each student must be ready with the first draft of the trailer. Next, if you are making PPT, the minimum slides should be 8 and the maximum slides can be 12. Next is, if you are making file, so minimum pages should be 6 and maximum pages can be 12. After that, if you are making video trailer, so minimum duration is 3 minutes and maximum duration is 5 minutes. Now, students must make notes of their learning from the MOOC. After that, students must mention the copied resources in the trailer. And the last is, if any student has started making the trailer or finished the trailer, has to create new one. Hey, I am back again. I hope it helped you and thank you so much for listening and watching this video.